Hey everyone, I'm Simi and today I'm going to show you how to make an extremely popular street food dish from Mumbai, India. It works great as a breakfast option or just as a simple evening snack. I know there's a misconception when it comes to street food that it's all unhealthy because it's greasy or oily, but this is an extremely healthy option and it's vegan and gluten-free as well. So let's get cooking. So to start with this recipe, take a pan on medium-high heat, add around 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and my peanuts, and I'm going to saute them till they're nice and toasty, which should take around 1 to 2 minutes. To prepare your poha, you want to soak it in cold water for about 60 to 90 seconds and not any longer because they'll just start to disintegrate. After 90 seconds, just strain them and set it aside. I'm going to place a pan on medium-high heat and add around 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is all melted and hot, I'm going to add my mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. So I'm adding some chopped green chilies. These are completely optional, but I think you should at least add one because, come on. I'm going to add some onions. I like to salt my onions to speed up their cooking process. Once the onions are nice and translucent, I'm going to add my diced potatoes. And to this, I'm going to add around a teaspoon of turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Add a splash of water to your potatoes, bring it to a simmer and then cover. And you want to cook this for around 8 to 10 minutes or until you can puncture a potato with a fork. And to this, I'm going to add my soaked and strained poha and mix it really well till it's all well combined. I'm also going to add the peanuts that we had sauteed initially and mix it up real good. To finish, I'm going to salt my dish, add some fresh cilantro, and finish with a generous squeeze of lemon. That might have been a little too generous because I splashed it all over, but that's okay. And that's the finished recipe. So that was the classic poha. It's one of my favorite breakfasts and I never grow tired of it. Let me know how you changed up the dish to make it your own, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.